to test the 1 1 function, whether this is a 1 1 function or not. See, now when I see this question, you have three tests. First test is what? F of x1 is equal to f of x2. E power में है, so you cannot check in that way. So that test you cannot do it. Graph, e power x means graph is okay, but e power quadratic graph, that is also a little difficult because you have to check where it is increasing, decreasing. These all graphs I will teach you. When 6th chapter starts, you will come to know all the graphs. But it is also difficult. Which is easiest level? Differentiation. Differentiation will be easiest level, right? You know the differentiation. What is the differentiation of e power x? See here, e power x differentiation is e power x. So I'll explain you differentiation of this function in detail when I start differentiation topic. Okay, after this function, you will be having inverse trigonometry, then limits, then differentiation, continuity, then differentiation will be there. So differentiation of e power g dash x means a differentiation of x, differentiation of this function. E power x is e power x, differentiation of e power x is e power x. So differentiation of e power something is there, the differentiation will be that only, same, e power x square minus x plus 2. Now you have to differentiate again this function also. So what is the differentiation of this one inside? X square differentiation is what? 2x minus differentiation of x is what? 1. Differentiation of constant is what? 0. See, actually I did not explain you basic differentiation, no? That is a problem. Last year I was explained to them, so they know these all things. See, differentiation of, suppose you have sine square x, suppose. What is the differentiation of sine x? Cos x, no? So differentiation of sine x square will be cos x square, and again differentiation of this argument. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. This is the differentiation of whole function. Means chain rule we call, this is called chain rule, differentiation in chain rule. We are going, see, you know that if you know sin x also differentiation, what is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x. And what is the differentiation of x? 1. That's why you are getting sin x differentiation is cos x. Everywhere is done, these things will be gone. But here x differentiation is 1, you are getting 1. That is what you need to know. That is chain rule we call. I will explain in detail in future. Otherwise, I will stop this concept. I will explain over there in differentiation. Okay? Now here differentiation of g dash of x is g dash, e power x is e power x. What is there here? This will be differentiated again. So what is the differentiation of this? 2x minus 1. Now e power, e meaning is what? E is what? E power x is positive. है ना? अरे e power x positive or negative? Exponential function is positive. Now what is the range of e power x? What is the range of e power x? 0 to infinity है ना? अरे e power x graph. What is graph of e power x? 0 to infinity. So this function will be positive or not? It is positive or not? Yeah, this part is positive. Now I have to concentrate on this. Now what is my domain? Bolo. 1 to infinity. If I substitute 1 to infinity in that, will I get positive or negative? Tell me first. Huh? Positive? If I substitute here 1 to infinity, 1 से start कर रहा हूँ. 1 if I keep, 2 1s are 2, 1 नहीं है, 1.1. Open है वो. So 1 if I keep, suppose I keep 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. More than 1 if I keep, I will get positive. So this is also positive. Means finally what you understand here, g dash of x is positive in entire domain. Given domain is this. In entire domain, if you substitute 1 to infinity in this, will you get a positive or not? Check it. If you don't know, suppose you take x square minus x plus 2 greater than 0 and see the greater than 0 solution where it happens. Right? However, e power x is positive, you get positive. This is positive. This is positive. E power, you get e power minus 1. Also will get positive only, na? Result is positive, na sir? So however, this is positive, g dash of x is positive. A function is monotonically increasing. So which function is this? 1 1 function. This is a test. आया नहीं? y is equal to e power minus x, okay, and y is equal to x cube. R to r है ना, ये तो r to r है, function is from r to r, this is also function from r to r, whether this is 1 1 or not, check it. R to r, चलो बताइए सर. Right sir, see here, now y is equal to, you have this and that, जो easy है ना वो पहला करते हैं. What is the differentiation of this? Differentiation we write as y dash. What is the differentiation of x cube? 3x square, and then you know na, n into x power n minus 1. So मैंने इस x में I kept minus infinity to plus infinity, everything in this. Will I get positive or negative? So this is what function? Monotonically increasing. When it is increasing, which function this is? 1 1, right? 1 2 1. Okay, मैंने बोला था ना आपको, पावर ऑड में रहा तो आपको 1 1 आएगा, याद है? अभी y is equal to x square, आपको पता है y is equal to x square. What is the differentiation of this function? 2x ना. And if I keep x minus infinity to plus infinity, what I will get? If I keep minus infinity to plus infinity, what I will get? Both you get, positive and negative. Why? If I keep minus infinity to 0, at that time decreasing. When I keep 0 to infinity, it's I am increasing. So happening both things. So this is not 1 1. Understand? Right. Now if I say this one, what is the differentiation of this function? Y dash is equal to e power x differentiation. E power x differentiation is e power x minus x differentiation minus 1. Everyone knows? Don't know na? Sir, e power x differentiation is e power x. X differentiation 1 होता है, तो minus x differentiation will be what? Minus 1. And what is the symbol you have? Minus. Differentiation of x is what? 1. So y dash, what you got here? Minus e to the power of minus x minus 1. Understood? Now I keep all x belongs to real, all I keep inside. If I keep anything here real, however, this e power, the whole thing will be positive or negative? Positive?
When you are circling that much part, you are saying a whole.
Yeah, oh, this.
That will be
Positive.
Yes.
But minus is there? Negative. And minus is there? Negative. Whole entirely what? Negative. है ना? Negative ना? है या नहीं है? हाँ, completely negative means this function is which function? 1 1 function. Understand? It is getting na, y dash is less than 0, so it is 1 1 function. See here, don't worry, those who don't know differentiation, you have to wait 1.5 months again. See, composite function I am explaining, but I will come back again 1 1 on to, and many problems I will solve on that. Bijective, surjective, injective, what are the inverse, all I will explain, but just I am explaining right now composite function. Okay, if f a to b and g b to c are functions, then g circle f a tending to c is defined by is defined by G circle f of x is equal to G of f of x for all x belongs to A is called a composite function. A composite function. A composite function of f and g, of f and g. Composite function of f and g. So this topic here we are explaining only few KVPY case. Only for that purpose I am explaining. Composite function f A tends to B, G B tends to C are functions, then G circle f A tending to C is defined by G circle f of x is this one. For example, suppose you take f is the function from A to B. Let us take this is x. I take a function element x. Okay, I am taking a element x. What is the image of this? The image of this, can I write f of x? Can I write this is as f of x? अरे y हो सकता है. I made, maybe it is a y, x is I am taking y, x image is y. I can write another way is f of x. Am I right? Now g is a function from B to C. See, f is from A to B, g is from B to C. This both will be same. That must be. So then if this is f of x and there is an image here, if I want to see the image of this, then what this function is what? G. The element is what? F of x. F of x is the element. G is the function. So what I can write here? G of element is the image. So G of f of x, and such function is called as composite function. So G circle f of x is broken into the parts G of f of x. Okay, understood? This is what we called as composite function. Right? When the composite function is defined, if the range of f is equal to domain of G. If the range of f is equal to domain of G, then composite function exists. Understood what I said? Range of f is equal to domain of G. Then which one is possible? G circle f. Look at that. You see this one, you don't think f circle G. It's a G circle f. Look from here. G circle f. Right? Clear? One question here. If suppose you have f of x is equal to x square, g of x is equal to x plus 2, h of x is equal to sin x. Suppose you have like this. Three functions are there. I want to find f circle, g circle, h. Or I want to find g circle, f circle, g circle, h. Okay, this or anything. I just want to find like this. Or you want to find G circle H. You want to find like this. So what to do here in this case of these all problems? If competitive exam, no problem. Boards, there is a pattern to break this. F circle, G circle, H you want to find. This is equal to you write as F circle, G circle, H of X you write. X you have to write. Domain you have to write. Then after, see which is alone, you need to break that. So these are two combined. So you cannot break that first. First you have to break. If you are writing in boards, you have to break this here first. And then you have to write G circle H of X. Then you have to come inside and then again you have to break this H of X. So only the thing is you need to break the circle and need to write the brackets. Is it clear? Now what I do here, f of, I go inside G of, I'll write what is H of X. What is h of x here? Sin x. So I'll write here sin x. So h of x gone. Now what is g of x here? G of x is g inside somebody is there. G of something is equal to something plus 2. So g something is what? Sin x. So the answer will be what here? F of sin x plus 2 you will get. अच्छा, तो f में कोई रहेगा, कैसा रहेगा? f of x is x square. So f के अंदर अभी कौन है? sin x plus 2. So what will be result should come? Sin x plus 2 whole square is the answer. Understood? This meaning is f circle g means this is only. So this is I can write as sin square x plus 2 4 right? 4 sin x plus 4. If I expand this a plus b whole square formula. Like this is what the meaning of f circle g circle h. Understood? Now see here, I want to know g circle h of x. Now if I want to find this one, f circle g circle h. So what I get here? F break then g break. You know one thing, this and this both will get same. They are associative property. But f circle g will not be equal to g circle f. That does not hold the commutative, but they hold the associative. Okay, if you have a doubt, you check it. F circle g you do, g circle f you do. You get different answers. Will not be same. But this one will get the same answer. Okay, g of h of x you want to find, then g break here and then you write h of x. And then you can write as g break here. What is h of x here? Sin x. And what is g here? X plus 2, sin x plus 2. Okay, are you getting it what I said? Is it clear to all? Clear? What is composite function, how we use? Is it clear? Is it for you? Huh? Understood? Confirm eh? Right. So now your IT class will start. Sorry, EM class, huh? Chalo, copy it, no?